up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I did a toolbox tour, and I got a new toolbox, so let's check it out. My distributor had three the same toolboxes. One was stealth black with blue trim. One was like a silver, like a darker, like a gray with red trim. And this one was, I forgot the color, but this one was the best looking one. I got it for a pretty good deal. And I had to get another toolbox because the other one that I had I outgrew it really quick. And it's a little messy because I'm in the process of changing everything out, but as soon as I get to where it needs to go, it'll be a lot cleaner. But as of now, most of the drawers are filled. This is my paperwork drawer, wrench drawer, socket drawer, miscellaneous tools, here are my wrenches and all my other stuff that I don't really use that much. And then here's my heavy duty drawer. So I got my sockets, grease gun. This is pretty badass right here. Some of the new tools that I got since the last video, I think are gonna be these, the Milwaukee set. It comes with, I got the set, which was the 1/2 inch, 3/8, and the flashlight, 2 batteries, and the charger. And then I got this a little later, the hammer drill, and then I got the grease gun. Then I also got this pressure tester for the radiators that pressure test at work. I got this air hammer. It was a pretty good deal. It was about 200 bucks with the little kit, with the little kit. So it's pretty good. And then I got this little number right here. The reason why I got this is because it goes both ways. So depending on which way the sparks are going, you can set it to go the opposite way. And then this guard moves whichever way you want it, whichever position you want it to be in. It's pretty cool. I got other little stuff, but there's some tools that I have in my truck that I haven't put back in here. Yeah, so the other toolbox got a little too crowded, and my Matco dealer had this one for a pretty good price. I'm the first owner, but what he said that it had a freight claim. So it was like damaged throughout the shipping process, but he showed me the damage and it's like not even nothing. It's real minimal, but he lowered the price substantially. So I was able to get this, and I got the cover that went with it and the side table. So it was a pretty good deal. The reason why I chose this part and not the 750 was because everyone at work has the 750, and I chose this one because it's a little different, and the color is pretty nice actually. It's a little dusty, but for the most part, when it's clean, it's pretty legit. Um, yeah, everybody has the 750, and I just want it to be a little different. I know that maybe these drawers, it would have been probably better if the drawers were a little bit bigger, but I like it. And I'm the one paying for it, so. But yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and see y'all later.